Hey everyone, my name is Heba and welcome back. I have another advent calendar to open up for you guys, and this time it's by The White Company. As you can see here, I've already opened up the Rituals advent calendar and Bon Mama advent calendar. I always like to put them behind me after I open them up. And I know the next advent calendar that I'll open up for you guys is by L'Occitane, and I hope to open that one up pretty soon. But in this one, we'll be opening up the White Company advent calendar. It's quite heavy. Here it is, has a nice facade of a beautiful home. Let me just put that off to the side there while the coloring adjusts. If you're not familiar with the White Company, they are based out of the UK and they sell things for the home, candles, things for the body washes, lotions, linens for bathrooms and bedrooms, and they also sell some clothes. For us, we like to get their body products and candles. Love the candles. I should be lighting one here, but with everything that's going on, I don't want to put any fire next to it because there's a lot of paper. But do love their candles. It has a great scent when you light them, and also their body things like the shower gels and body lotions and hand creams. My favorite scent is the Seychelles, and there's another scent that's kind of replacing that scent Seychelles, and that is the Blanc collection. My husband, he loves the Lime and Bay, and he's now starting to like the Blanc collection, and I have a feeling there's some of it in here. This is the third year that I've been getting their advent calendar and haven't been disappointed yet, and I don't think I will be this year. So this year's calendar cost $249. It was $229 last year, so of course with everything that's going on, everything has gone up. I do search for the White Company coupon, and some of these coupon codes pop up, and I would try to use ones until one of them would work. And one of them did, so I was able to get 15% off of this calendar. I mean, 15% is 15%. It's a lot better than paying full price, $249. Now, since this is coming from the UK, it does take about 10 to 14 days for it to get here, but it comes very carefully packed. It's bubble wrap inside of a box, inside of another box. So again, this costs $249, and you're getting 25 drawers in here, 25 products, and those products are worth $358. So saving of $109, which isn't, the best out of these beauty advent calendars, but it's still fun opening up an advent calendar with the products that you really do like. And the ones that you don't, you can give them away as gifts. And that's what I like to do. And they also say that there are 2 full-size candles in here. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Now, it does have a plastic sleeve, so let me just kind of pull that out. There you go. Here is what it looks like again. It's quite heavy. And I think you open it up with this door. Yeah, there you go. Let me stand up. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and you open it up with the door. Very neat. And then you open up the other side, and here are the 25 drawers in this calendar. But I do love it when it has the pull-out drawers. Makes it real fun to open up. And I do keep this box like I did with the other 2 years. I reuse them and I store my Christmas ornaments in these, because I believe it should have some tissue in each drawer. So let me go ahead and open it up again. And I'm going to have it off to the side here, so the coloring could be good. But let's pull out drawer number 1. This is one of the big ones. And there you go. And there is some tissue in here. And in drawer number 1, you do get one of the full-size candles in the scent Winter. And the notes in this candle are cinnamon, clove, and orange. Beautiful scent. So this one is a full size, which is 4.9 ounce. Now it does say that this lasts approximately 33 hours. So this is their best-selling candle. Winter is an unbeatable, spicy, warming combination with notes of cinnamon, clove, and fresh orange. A winter essential. And these are made in the UK. For day number 2, we got a long, skinny one. And we have the mini hand cream and pomegranate. Really do like these mini hand creams. It's a little bit different texture than the body creams. It's a little bit thicker and it's perfect for the winter months. And it blends in very nicely. Now this one is the pomegranate scent. This one is not one of my favorites, so I'll pass this one on to my husband. He'll use it. But the pomegranate has, of course, pomegranate, mandarin, and amber. And this will be perfect to house some of my ornaments that are long and skinny. 3 is a little bit of a bigger box. And we have a bigger tube. Oh, let me let you know how many ounces was in this one. The hand cream. 1 ounce in the hand cream, and in this one you get 2.5 fluid ounce. And what is this one, you ask? This is the Spa Restore Luxury Body Balm. This one has notes of geranium, neroli, and eucalyptus. So that eucalyptus will just wake your senses up. For day 4, it looks like we have like a bath shot. I remember these from last year. Now, of course, it has font that I can't read it, because it's white font and it has like a white cream inside it. So this one is the Nourish scent. I'm I'm gonna have to look online, see if I can see the notes, because I can't read it on this bottle. It's actually called the Nourish Bath Soak, not the Bath Shot. And the scent notes in here are oat, bergamot, and amber. Soft and comforting. It's a luxurious bubble bath that leaves skin moistured and softly scented. Oh, that does smell good. The products from the White Company, they have such a beautiful scent to it. And I believe that this is a 1 ounce bath soap. Yes. Gosh, so small. For day 5, we have, oh, this is something new. This is a fragrant oil in the scent Fireside. I know, I'm so excited about these things. And last year we didn't get a fragrance oil. So the notes on this one are smoked woods and vanilla. It smells like you're lighting a fireplace, I guess. Okay, so you put 2 or 3 drops in a potpourri or an electronic diffuser. This will really make your house smell like Christmas. Oh, this smells so good. Day 6, we have a small bottle, bath and shower gel, and this is another new scent that I haven't had. The scent Sea Salt. That's a new scent. I know I have to have my magnifying glass here. So the notes in here are sea salt, vetiver, and cedar wood. Oh, this one smells very clean. Oh, I do like that. It says, imagine a warm sea breeze blowing gently across sun-kissed sand dunes. Oh yeah, I can imagine that. Notes of crisp sea salt and fresh vetiver with peaceful oak moss and cedar wood combine beautifully to uplift the spirits and transport us to a favorite coastal escape. Yeah, I'd like to do that right now. So far, I'm really liking these because these are all different from last year. So that was day 6. Let's go to day 7. Now this one is my favorite scent, Seychelles, and this is in the hand wash. And we just finished the full size in this in Seychelles scent, the hand wash in our bathroom. Right now, we're using the Blanc collection in the hand wash there, and it's kind of nice. It's kind of replacing this one as my favorite scent. I don't know. Sea salt smells kind of good too. Yeah, this does have a nice scent to it, and I do apologize if I'm smelling everything and you can't really smell it, but they really do smell good. Like a warm Indian Ocean breeze, our much-loved scent of soothing Seychelles combines notes of evocative bergamot, bright orange, and fresh coconut with a hint of green jasmine. For day 8, we have our new favorite scent, Blanc. And this one is in the hand and body cream. This one does have notes of geranium, juniper, and patchouli. A fabulous crisp and spirited floral scent, Blanc is a beautiful blend with notes of pure white geranium and bright juniper berry. Wonderfully fresh, carefree, and modern. I forgot to tell you the size. This one is 1.7 ounce. And so are these 1.7 ounce, the sea salt body wash or shower gel, and the Seychelles hand wash. So for day 9, we have the other one in Blanc, and this is the body wash. And again, this has notes of geranium, juniper, and patchouli, and 1.7 fluid ounce. And I do like the bottle, square white bottle here. Day 10, we have a votive candle in my favorite Christmas scent, Fir Tree. Love a balsam scent candle. This one is 2.6 ounce and it has a burn time of 18 hours, whereas the full size was 33. So let me show you the comparison of the two. Enjoy the crisp woody notes of fresh eucalyptus and pine needles with warming cedar and earthy moss for a nostalgic moment that captures the magic of winter. Love how they describe their scents. Smells like Christmas already here. For day 11, we have another fragrance oil, and this is in the scent Nourish. So again, it does have the notes of oak, bergamot, and amber. And this is a full-size product. It's half an ounce, and this costs $15 if you were to buy it on their website. Picture a gentle swarm of a warm sunlight wheat field, lightly brushed with a fresh citrus breeze. Soft, creamy scent notes of oak and barley combined with bright bergamot and lemon, plus warming amber. So you can put a couple drops of this in the diffuser right next to your bathtub filled with the Nourish bath soap. We sometimes do need a relaxing bath every now and then. Day 12, we have the hand and nail cream in tuberose and cashmere. This is another great scent, very soft. So you have tuberose, cashmere woods, and orange flower. Let me look and see how they describe this scent. Like the luxurious whisper soft hug of cashmere, fresh white tuberose, soothing jasmine, and uplifting orange flower, combined with velvety cashmere woods and warming musk, make this beautiful scent one that brings an instant sense of luxury with every use. Love how they describe their scents. And you get 50 mils of product in here, which is 1.69 or 1.7 fluid ounce. Day 13 is up in the top corner, and we have something small. So this is in the scent Midnight, And this is something new, a mini home spray in the scent Midnight. Now I want to say the description of the scent has something to do with being in Venice from last year's what I remember. So you have the notes of vetiver, cardamom, and amber and midnight, and inspired by the magic of Venice and fireworks at midnight, this fabulously rich and velvety scent combines smooth, smoky vetiver and aromatic cardamom with warming amber, spicy nutmeg, and a sparkling twist of ginger. Let me go ahead and mist here. All right. Oh, that smells really good. It's not overpowering at all. It does make me want to be in Venice at midnight. 14, we have something from Seychelles again. I believe this is the body lotion. No, hand and nail cream. I was close. So again, this is bergamot, amber, and vanilla. Like you're in the Seychelles Islands. And with this one, you get 50 mils, 1.7 fluid ounce. For day 15, we have a shower gel from the Spa Restore line. And this one, you have notes of geranium, neroli, and eucalyptus. Refreshingly cool and rejuvenating, restores like walking into a luxurious spa. Essential oils of geranium, eucalyptus, and peppermint with notes of neroli create a scent that reinvigorates the senses. Yeah, that does reinvigorate the sense here. And in this one is 2.5 fluid ounce. For day 16, we have my husband's favorite scent, Lime and Bay, and this one is the body lotion. 50 mils of product in here, 1.7 fluid ounce, and the notes in here are lime, blossom, and orange. Very citrusy. This is like stepping into a colorful tropical garden. This perfect fusion of exotic mandarin, pink grapefruit, bergamot, orange, lime, and lemon is laced with jasmine buds, lime blossom, ginger, and crushed bay leaves. Boy, this one's got a lot of scents. And finished with the warming notes of patchouli. Day 17, we have the wild mint scent, and this is the hand wash. I do have the full size in the kids' bathroom here, hand wash and hand lotion. So now we have a 50 mils, 1.7 fluid ounce, even though this does say 1.69 fluid ounce. This has peppermint and white tea. Capture the uplifting aroma of wild mint on a balmy day. A blend of just crushed peppermint and fresh spearmint leaves with a touch of delicate white tea creates this much loved, bright, and refreshing scent. And I do like to drink hot tea with mint. Day 18, we have the hand and body balm in the calm scent. And this one comes in a 2.5 fluid ounce, and it has notes of juniper, berry, Larry sage, ylang ylang, I believe that's how you pronounce it, with a wonderful combination of natural essential oils. Calm is a joy to unwind with at any time. Calming juniper berry, bright geranium leaf, and restorative clary sage come together with warming ylang ylang. For day 19, up here in the top, again we have lime and bay, and this is the shower gel, the 1.7 fluid ounce, 50 mils. Why some say 1.69 and others say 1.7? But again, this has the scent of lime, blossom, and orange, the citrusy scent. Day 20, okay, we have not a bath product, but something in this little pouch, which I think we did get 1 year, and this is the Wash-A-Stone. I believe this is quartz. And this is like a facial massage tool that you just kind of work in your serums and moisturizes on your face. Has little grooves here that you can massage up your jawline and underneath your eyes and also your forehead. You know, sometimes I think these are just a filler for some of these advent calendars, but if you haven't tried one, it's really nice and relaxing. Just wish someone would do it for me though. For day 21, we have the body cream and the sea salt scent to go with the, let's see, I believe this is the hand wash. And do like how they describe sea salt. A warm breeze over a sandy dune. A warm sea breeze blowing gently across sun-kissed sand dunes. Day 22, instead of the Blanc, we have the Noir scent. And this one is in the hand wash, so I like that they put the Blanc in the white bottle and Noir in the black bottle. This does have notes of amber, mandarin, and sandalwood. Love the sandalwood scent. And let's see, this sensuous, sophisticated scent draws its inspiration from a Parisian nightfall. When the streets are dark, yet behind closed curtains, the occasional window glints. Our blend of opulent amber entwines with flirtatiously bright mandarin and whispers of aromatic sandalwood. Full of elegance, full of intrigue, and full of wonder. You get 1.7 fluid ounce in here. So day 23 brings us the hand lotion in the Noir scent to go with the hand wash. Again, amber, mandarin, and sandalwood. Same size, 1.7 fluid ounce. All right, Christmas Eve, day 24. And it looks like we have another bath shot. And this is in the Sleep Relax. Lavender and chamomile are the notes in here. Created specifically to enjoy at the end of a busy day, this much-loved, beautiful blend contains powerful essential oils to help quieten the mind and cocoon the senses. And this one is 1 ounce of the bath shot. Smells so good. All right, last day, Christmas Day, and it's the other big box that we have here. That means it's the other full-size candle that we get in this calendar. And this one's not a Christmas scent. This is my favorite, the Seychelles scent. Again, bergamot, amber, and vanilla. I kind of like that they have a Christmas scent and a non-Christmas scent, because you can use this one after Christmas. But I still use sometimes the Christmas scent after the start of the new year. It just smells so good, especially the fir tree, winter, midnight. But Seychelles is nice too. Again, you get 33 hours of burn time with these candles in this size. All right, you guys, those are the products that are in this year's Advent Calendar by the White Company. I'm really happy with the products that are in here. And they are very different from years past. This year we don't have that many candles, especially the votive candles. I remember one year we got like 5 or 6 of them. We have more body products in this. And fragrance oils, that's something new this year. And this room mist, that's new this year. And the new scents like sea salt, that's going to be nice to try. I'm glad we have favorites like Blanc, Lyman Bay, and Seychelles. So I'm really happy with this year's calendar. Very nice. And again, I'm going to reuse this calendar to store my ornaments. Let me show it to you with the boxes kind of opened here. That's how I know not to skip a day. But yes, just like in previous years, I will reuse this calendar. And I'll also try to put it behind me when I open up the L'Occitane Advent Calendar. And after that, I don't know what's going to be next in Advent Calendars. I'm going to try to get the Cult Beauty, but if I don't get it, then probably L'Occitane will be my last Advent Calendar for this year. That calendar did come in, so I'll be opening it up really soon. But for this one, really happy with the products in the White Company. Really do like it. And if you're interested in this, again, try to look for it in a sale or try to find a coupon code. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me opening up the White Company Advent Calendar. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I guess they moved it. They redid everything down here. I think the subscribe button is right here. So I do hope that you hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.